So hello and welcome back, and in this video we're gonna show how to remove or replace the ventilation head unit, I would call this. So yeah, I believe it should be kinda easy. So all you need to do, again, plastic. I did use screwdrivers before a lot, but you don't wanna break it, so take kinda easy on this one, because this one I believe does break a little bit easier than it should. Some sort of plastics always good or better. So you should take this out, and after that there should be two screws holding this in place. So yeah, maybe it's more easier if you take all of this out. It's all on clips, so that shouldn't be that hard. Just need to pull out like this. You need to pull out like this and then take out the electricity that's holding it. So we have one cable over here holding this one, and usually there is USB port on this side, but this one don't have it because we have that one over here up on the top. But here we have two more that are holding this in place. So you take that out, and same goes for this one. So you need to press on here. You press it, and then it's easier to take this out. After that, there is this USB port on this side. These are kind of tricky to take out, and if you don't want to break anything, because it's kind of crazy clips. These clips are kind of crazy. Let me take it out. So holding this, the lighter and everything else, yeah, I mean this plastic should come out, but it just holds this together, these three. And you have now 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I'm not really sure if you can change from this normal one to the digital one, but digital have same here, this knob, maybe not like this, you can turn full around. But if you need to take this out, it did break already on few cars, so might be some issue, but it was mostly digital one, so these are kind of without problems so far. But you never know with Ford, it's always, yeah. But if you need to change it, remove it, it's kinda easy. So everything is held by clips, so take in, take out should not be that big of an issue. You need to take out like that, just pull it out. When you putting it back, there is little bit work to be done, but still it can be put back rather easy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you guys in the next one.